What up? What up? Oh, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. What up? What up? Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Okay, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Oh, man. What do we got going on here? I'm going to figure it out here in a second. Hopefully all you guys got it figured out because we got... Oh, son of a gun. We got some good stuff going on right now, and I ain't playing. All hobby. And I've said this, guys. I wouldn't doubt we're going to hit something nice tonight because I said... I don't know about all those blasters. I mean, if you like a lot of cards, then go for the blasters. If you like the hobby, or you like autos, you like big hits, go for the hobby. We got 5 boxes of the hobby. I think we're going to hit something nice tonight, guys. There's nothing left. That's a blade. I don't think we have anything left. Do we have anything left? I think we just closed it. Hopefully everyone's having a good night, guys. Thank you, guys. I went to the card show the other day, or today it was actually. It's going to be there tomorrow, too. I'm going to try to go to there tomorrow. I think I'm going to go because I asked... Hang on, I got to wake up this screen. Can you see those cards? Okay, perfect. It's not actually perfect, but it will work. Okay? We're closed! I can't say that too often, but we are closed. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Thank you guys for getting in the break because without you, there wouldn't be me. Okay? And you want to know what? I'm not going to lie because I say this all the time. This is the best part. This is absolutely 100% the best part of my day. And tonight is no different than last night or the night before. And I told my assistant, I said, I don't want or need a night off. I don't. And Sundays are my day off. Not really because I want the day off. It's because she wants the day off. Not because I want the day off. I don't want a day off. What am I going to do on the day off? Tomorrow I'm going to watch the Seahawks kick ass. Well, I don't need to do that because I'm going to watch the Seahawks in the Super Bowl kick ass. And I'll watch that full game. So what am I going to do tomorrow that's going to be more than breaking that I'm going to do? Probably not nothing. And same with you guys. This is probably the highlight of your guys' night. I like it. You like it. We like it. It's a no-brainer. Okay? So after I'm done with this box, I'm going to go to the other room and get a box so I can put these cards in. And it'll take me about less than 30 seconds, okay? So if you had an issue with anything, guys, and I haven't responded to you immediately, I apologize because I've had a lot of stuff going on in the last week. In the last 5 days, probably more going on in my life than the last. And we got taxes that are coming up due. Property tax, income tax. And you're self-employed, you're traveling, you're ordering products, you're shipping stuff out. I mean, there's a lot going on with the brother. Just relax, guys. Unless the house is burning down, just relax. Hang on one second. Okay. Let's check out what we got. Maybe we'll hit an auto one. Oh, I think we're going to hit an auto. Mick Abel. Watch the Giants lose. No other break. It's one and done. Four TDs for D. Henry? Wow, no wonder I picked him on my fantasy and I'm out of the playoffs. Enrique Hernandez. Oliva for the Minnesota Twinkies. Ben Williamson, rookie. We'll put him in the top sleeve. Cade Horton, rookie. Give him a sleeve. Why not? Reyes. Read louder. Say it louder. Say it louder. If I say any louder, I'm going to have to catch an Uber to the hotel. Man. Okay, Cade, say it ain't Horton. There we go. That's a nice little rookie. We'll definitely give him a top loader. Or sleever, I mean. Can't top load it all. Drake Baldwin, Rookie of the Year. Nick, when it hurts, it hurts. That might be a little extra sauce. That might be now that's going to be a top loader. That might be a little extra sauce. Nice hit for the Nick, when it hurts, it hurts. That's some extra sauce. Will Wilson, I don't know. You tell me, guys. Will Wilson, J.C. Escara, Perez, Victor Scott, who the second? Oh, we got in a little auto action. Michael McGreevy. Michael McGreevy. It ain't easy, but it's greavy. Little gravy on the greavy. Xavier Bogarts. Tommy and the fam. Keep it in the fam and full for 275? I can't read that. I don't know. What's it say? 75, 25, something? Says something. I think something to 5. Jansen. Cody Clemens. Luke's Podges, Ornelas on the Chrome, Marcelo Mayer, rookie. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Thank you guys for getting in the breaks. I really appreciate it. Because you know we're at the home of the full or not. Brett Beatty, Acuna Jr. Every night. Callahan, Suarez, Tavares, Boyd. Might be a little bit long for the shipping on these, just FYI. And that's because if you're in a need to get them home, let me know, because if not, I'll just wait till I get back home on the 2nd, and then I'll just bust them all out. We'll just get them all out there quick for you guys. Now, if you hear something crazy, we'll get them out there, but other than that, hey, I'll work for you harder than I do, but I'm just saying that I'm going to have to pack everything up here and then bring it home and ship it. And I'd rather do that than ship it home and then have some other peeps pack it up and ship it. But you guys let me know. Majority will vote. If you guys really need me to get it out there like ASAP, I will. If you can wait till maybe like the 2nd for shipping or the 3rd. I think I get back home on the 2nd, so we'll immediately, this will be my #1 priority. To get it sorted on the 3rd and shipped out by the 3rd. We'll ship we'll organize it the 3rd and the 4th, and probably ship out the 5th. Okay. It's 200-yard game. Well, Derrick Henry, he's a stud. He's been a stud for a decade, so I don't know if he'll be the same stud next year, but absolutely rip. What do you say, 5 touchdowns? 4 touchdowns? Jeepers. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Thank you, guys. No stars tonight? No, I got to get 100 stars tonight. So that's my goal, to get 100 stars. And I hate asking for you, but so if I can get 100 stars tonight, I'd be blessed, guys. Thank you in advance for your guys' cooperation in this. I have mixed feelings about it, though. Trust me. Hey, like I said, it's just a tip. It's a tip to your breaker. So if your breaker's doing it right, then star him up, okay? If he's not, don't star him up. Uh-oh. That stack looks like a little bit tomfoolery to me. Uh-oh. How much does Aaron have to drink tonight? He's probably had a lot more than me. He's talking about island time. This guy's crazy. What's wrong with this guy? Aaron, send me some stars and shut that... No. I better not tell him to shut the hell up, because then I probably won't get any stars from that guy. Now, I just talked to this guy like an hour ago. Didn't say anything about this. And all of a sudden, he's like big time talking about an island. Lindor, I probably sparked some interest in him. Jacob Wilson, Verlander, Ellie De La Cruz. Oh, look at that bad boy. A little Rhett Say It Louder. Meyer, Pettit, Caminario, Drake Baldwin. That's a nice little hit there. Pujols, and Sajasi, McCovey, Green, and Aaron, you be the judge. Aaron, you be the judge. Don't let that Aaron be the judge. Ooh, Martinez. Ooh, I hit $1.15 stars. Okay, guys, we're going to take a 5-minute break. Oh. Nope, hang on. We're not going to take a 5-minute break. We're going to take like a 0-minute break because I found the top loaders for that card. Thank you, whoever sent me the stars. I'm going to find out. Tanya Star? Are you kidding me? Gosh, I wish I had a freebie right now to give you. Look at that, Martinez on the top loader, guys. Thank you, T-Star. Are you kidding me? Oh man, I gotta get her to the next Airbnb. Are you kidding me? Campanella. I knew Aaron wasn't gonna send no damn stars. He ran back to he's like, I gotta use the bathroom. Like when the bill comes, when we were out eating breakfast, he's like, hey, man, I got to go to the bathroom. We know those guys. Nolan Ryan to 25. You know who you're talking about. You know those guys when the bill comes are like, oh, I got to use the bathroom. And they take so long in the bathroom that you just pay the bill. They're like... Then they meet you outside. They're like, well, what happened? What happened? Oh, okay, I'll get you next time. And next time never comes. You guys all know your friends like that. Come on, Aaron. You be the judge. Phil Russo and Thorpe. Damn! Danny Sherfield sent me another 100. You dirty dogs. That's it, man. Thank you guys all so far too kind. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Ain't no way. Alvarez, Biggio, Boyd. Everyone just type Aaron, 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 Aaron. Cheapo, 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 cheapo. Okay. Nick, when it hurts, it curts. Conine. See, Aaron's not a customer. He's just a good friend, so I could talk to him like that. Rooks, there it is. Phil Necro. Rushing. Sutter. Watch, all of a sudden he's like, dude, what? Aaron sent 99 stars? No way. Are you kidding me? Aaron, big spender. Aaron, big spender. Aaron, big spender. Martinez. Now, where'd those top loaders go? What the hell? Ain't no way. Oh, they're over here. Martinez for the Blue Jays. Okay, I take everything I said bad about Aaron back for 15 seconds, and I'm going to send it again. Ooh, look at that. Matt Shaw, Let It Thaw. You know, when you have a best friend, you could talk to him like that, because I called him earlier. I said, God, you look... Nah. Can't say it out loud, but you can just talk to good friends a little bit rougher than you can your sister. Okay, how about that? Ty Cobb and Jimenez, like I told my buddy Jim, you want to talk business or you want to talk love songs? Because I ain't with you on those love songs. Okay? Box number next. And then when we get the Chrome and the update, that's when the shit's going to hit the fan, because that's the big cheddar. This is the blade I'm using. I don't have the blade. I had to use my brother-in-law's. I had to go to his garage. Just find something that would work. Hi, Aaron. And Jim. I was like, you want to talk business? I got a call immediately. He was like, hell yeah. It's one of my favorite times. What do you think? I want to talk some BS with you? You're going to talk so much BS on your break. I don't want to hear that bullshit. I'll give you that right there. Hopefully everyone's having a good night, guys. Thank you for getting in the breaks, because without you guys would not be me. He said, I just connected to Facebook. I need a refund for my stars. That one surprised me at all. He was like, no, I thought you were sending me stars. I thought that was the button for to receive stars, not to send stars. Are you kidding me? He was like, what the hell? Wow. Wow. Joe DiMaggio cut auto. Wow. I bet it was in the hobby and not the blasters. I told my boy Aaron I'm going to bring him over to the Pacific Northwest. Does anyone live in the Pacific Northwest, and do you think I should bring my boy Aaron up there? Do you think it's worth going? Yes or no? This guy's been in Florida or the Bronx his whole life, and I'm telling you, he needs to go up to the Northwest in the summer just to enjoy it. I'm not saying he's got to do anything other than that. I'm not saying he's got to move there. I definitely wouldn't say move there, but go up and see it in the summer. Mount Hood, Mount Rainier, Mount St. Helens, Mount Shasta, or California too. Northern California. I visit California. I ain't going to move there, but visiting it and traveling through it is beautiful. Live there? I don't think so. Okay, let's get going. Francisco Lindor, Drake Baldwin. Put that over there. Buxton. Kobe put some mayo in it. McCovey. Green, McCray, Garrett Cole, Riley, Kirby, J.J. Hubla Day. Definitely visit in the summer. Bend, Oregon here. I live by Lucky Breaks. It was a blaster. Oh, boy. Didn't think it was going to be a blaster. That definitely caught me off guard. I think I'm going to have another drink, man. You talking like that? What the hell? Are you kidding me? I ain't kidding you. It was a blaster, I said. Wow. Man, we opened 2 cases of blaster? We ain't jack shit. Gotta watch my calories. You know, some jobs you can't drink on the job, and some jobs you have to drink on the job. And this is one of those jobs you got to drink on the job, because if you don't drink on the job, you get fired from this job. You know those jobs where you can't drink on the job? Nope, this ain't one of them. If you don't drink on the job, you get fired. Craig Biggio on the relic. Now he wants to roll. Every time I go on vacation, he never wants to roll. He's like, I can't roll. I got to put my gym together. Now he wants to roll. And Aaron, you know damn well what I'm talking about rolling. No, I can't roll. I got to put my gym together. I was like, roll it and then put your gym together. Yeah, I agree with you, Cody. You open a ton of blasters and then finally, and Holiday Inn, Bojack, Alex the Great, Jacob Wilson and Cal Raleigh, a little thumper. Reggie Jack, Crime Dog, Chris Ain't For Sale, Sugana Alcantara, Funky Cole Molina, Perez, Hassel, Aaron, you be the judge. Mason win, Dylan Cruz, Bobby Witt don't quit, Poppy Ortiz Churio, Seager, George Yayu Brett, Roger Clemens, Manny Machado, relic me up, Contreras, for the St. Louis Cardinals. Little Carl Wilson Contreras on the little St. Louis Cardinals. Zebby Matthews for the Minnesota Twinkies. When it snows, it snows. I wouldn't nose because I don't go to Minnesota. I don't like it up there. It's been like 30 years since I've been up there. Benettini. I wouldn't bring Aaron to Minnesota. I wouldn't be like, oh, let's go to Minnesota. No. I barely say let's go to the Pacific Northwest just because it's so beautiful. Pee Wee Reese and Nick Winter, or no, hurts. Okay, now we're going to hit some big cheddar, guys. Are you ready for the big cheddar? Are you ready for some cheddar? Well, we'll start with the soft box first. Well, this could be, there's two big boxes, so I don't know. We'll see what comes first. You see that wire there? That's because my phone's charging. Man, I have 214 stars tonight. Thank you, guys. That means I got a $2.14 tip. That means all the rest of you 30 people, the 28 people, you guys are El Chapos, like gangsters. You remember Chapo, the gangster? No, I'm just playing, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for even getting in the break. Are you kidding me? Half of you guys are probably already sleeping. No one stays up 26 hours a day except me. And you. Just me and you. And that you is you. Go look in the mirror. That's what I'm talking about. You. Yeah, you. You're the stud. Oh, yeah. It's just you and I. Total gangster. Staying up all night like this. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Take your right hand, put it over your left shoulder, give yourself a couple taps on the back and say, I'm the real OG. Yeah, that's me. I'm the real OG. Let's go. We got orange coming up. You want it? Too bad. We're going to wait till this comes out to the end, guys. Okay. Yeah, that's the way we're doing around here. Vanny, Leo, Cuero, Hensley, Mullins, James, too good to be Wood. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Refractor rookie. Oh, it's the All-Star game. Darn it. Thought it was the real rookie, but it's still good. James, too good to be Wood. Uh-oh. What's all the rave about? Dolander, Castro, Birds singing a song. Raphael, there's the Dylan Cruz, but it's the rookie debut. We want the rookie refractor. Nick, when it hurts, it hurts. Are you kidding me? Grime. Yeah. Okay, whatever. McGill, Alcantara, Marte. Freddie ain't no free man. Kobe puts a mail and Ken Griffey Jr. with the Reds. Cade ain't Horton. Oh, Luis Angel Acuna. The rookie debut on the green. 2024. Are you kidding me? What the hell? For the New York Mets. When you see it, you see it. Paddock on the refractor. Pete Alonso. Shohei Ohtani on the All-Star game. Yeah, it's a refractor on the All-Star game. We'll give that a little TP. Or TL, top loader. Amador Sajasi. Juan Soto. Okay, Lyle. Okay. Rafaela. Okay. Jung-Hoo ain't no Lee. Okay, guys, do you want to see who that card is? Do you really want to see it? Hanley. Oh, and it's the Auto Me Up. The Jamie Westbrook to 25 for the Boston Red Sox. On Carter. What the hell? Ain't no way. Are you kidding me? What the hell's gotten into this guy? Calhoun and Shane Smith. Ronald Acuna, we'll put you up there. Shane Smith coming in with the White Sox. Michael Dyer, a rookie, getting the rookie. We got rookies. Michael Dyer on the rookie, getting the rookie. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Man, I love the mixers. Mixers are, I don't know. Sometimes you guys like the case breaks. I like the mixers. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. We will be back on tomorrow, full or not. We might even be doing 2 breaks tomorrow, because what's tomorrow? Is tomorrow Saturday? Oh, shoot. Tomorrow's Sunday. Oh, man. Tomorrow's Sunday? We're going to be off tomorrow? I don't want to be off tomorrow. There's no crying. We'll be back on Monday, okay? Gosh, there's no crying in baseball, but I want to cry. Okay, I guess this is the last break, guys, for the night. Oh, man, I'm a sad guy. Like I told you guys, this is the best part of my day. Maybe I'll get everything packed out and sent out so we can ship it out on instead of waiting. I doubt it, guys, because I forgot my scale. Okay, guys. Unless someone just sits a monster, then we're going to Disney World. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Ain't no way. Thank you guys for getting in the breaks. This is the recap. This is the main box of the break. And without you guys, there wouldn't be me. And guys, I appreciate all you guys getting in the break. We're home of the full or not. Breaking Monday through Sunday. Jim might break. I'm going to have Jim break on Sunday. What's wrong with Jim? Why isn't he breaking? What the hell got into that guy? Oh, I'm too busy at the card shop. I'll give you busy. Okay, James Wood, Andrew McCutcheon, Dylan Don't Cease to Exist, Marcus Semien, Drake Baldwin on the rookie, Bryce Keep It Harper, DeZenzo, Bo Bichette, yeah, you right, and Ellie De La Cruz for the Reds. That's a nice little hit there. To 99. Nice little hit there to 99. Chris Bryant, Cuero, Ashcraft, and thank goodness, Kyle Tucker and PCA. Schwallenbach, Meisner, Baez, Freddie Freeman, Ozzy Albies, Tatis, Logan Webb, and Austin Wells. Shimmer me up for the New York Yankees. For the Yankees, Nico Horner, Shohei, nice little Shohei. We'll put that over there. We'll put that over there. Dinger, Ultraviolet Beam, J. Jackson Holiday in. Gleyber Torres, Yamamoto, Drew Romo, Corbin Carroll, Abreu, Alvarez. And for the Dodgers, Otani, Yamamoto, and Sasaki. That one actually could be serious cheddar, I bet. Being all Asian. You get that Asian deal over there. Whew. That might be some serious cheddar on the market. You might want to check that one out. Dansby Swanson, Tovar, Alvarez, Lou Brock, Osuna, Adley Rutschman, and William Contreras. Matthew Joner taking home that cheddar. Contreras for the Milwaukee Brewers. Launched into orbit, Bryce Harper, Alcantara, Kumar Rocker, Corbin Carroll, and Ultraviolet Beam, Murill, Wagner, Connor Griffin Conine, and Turner Burner, Alcantara, Dana, Green, and Castro on the refractor, Burn Baby Burn, Bliss, Bregman, and Roki Sasaki. Might be some action. Dylan, part of the Cruz rookie. Ben put some rice on it. Ronald Acuna. Brooks hopping on the General Lee. Are you kidding me? Pete Alonso. Corey put some Seager. Cam Smith. Dylan, part of the Cruz Lightning Speed. Lyle. Alvarez. Ballesteros. Holiday Inn. Austin Wells. Rhett Say It Louder. Jimenez. And another 3-team. Larkin, Bench, and De La Cruz. Not numbered. I'll have to check and see if that other one was numbered. Connor Norby and Tommy Sagano and I think it was numbered to 75. Something to 75. So, yeah, good call. This one wasn't numbered. I can tell you that because see the difference. This one's green sparkles of 75. So, that's what we got, guys. Thank you for getting into Lucky Breaks, the home of the full or not breaks. There's the Jamie Westbrook to 25. That was a nice light. Shohei Refractor. Acuna, James Too Good to Be With. William Contreras. The Austin Wells. The Austin Wells to 99. 199. The Austin Wells to 199. That's why I top loaded those because they're numbered. And the LA De La Cruz to 99. Westbrook to 25. Shohei Refractor. Louis Angel Acuna. Shimmer Me Met. Hell yeah. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Guys, thank you for getting in the breaks. We'll see you guys tomorrow or Monday. Everyone have a great night. Thank you guys. Because without you guys, there wouldn't be me. And thank you guys for the stars. Whoever sent the stars in. One last chance. If you want to send stars, send them now. Send them now. Let me see who's got the stars to send, guys. I want you guys to send the stars one last time. Show your tip. Show your tip. Don't be... show your tip. I want to know. I want to know who's tipping. Who's tipping? Who's tipping? Who's tipping? Who's tipping? Hey, Rome. Come again. Come again. Thank you, guys. Everyone have a great night. Thank you, guys. We'll see you on Monday. Peace, and everyone have a great night. And Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.